Hi everyone, so let's do today's daily lead code challenge question. I was not seen this problem before. I hope that I will solve this problem within 30 minutes, okay? At most. If I cannot solve this within 30 minutes, then I will look at the solution. Okay, let's see what is the question. Minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram. Okay, you are given two strings of the same length. Okay, so the length of the string is same, and in one step you can choose any character of t and replace it with another character. Okay, so in one step you can choose any character of t and replace it with another character. What this means is I can choose any character like a, b or a and then replace it with another character. Oh, okay. It just because it is saying anagram, so I was thinking in the beginning which character to replace with s or t, but I think this t only. So I can replace with any character. So I can replace b with a. So basically it means that I can just form anagrams. And return the minimum number of steps to make t as an anagram of s. Okay. So it means that I can only change t. Okay. So the question is basically saying that uh, I can change the position of, I can replace one character with another only in the t string. Uh, so I need to return the minimum number of steps required. How many times should I change? For example, there is b a b here, right? So how many times should I change? First of all, I mean there might not even be valid anagram, right? At all. So what if as each a b c and another one is d a b? Then we can see that it is not a valid anagram at all. So I guess we should return 0. Number of minimum anagram to make t as an anagram of s. I think I understood the question wrong. Anagram of a string is a string that contains. Yeah, it is not saying that I need to change t and replace it with another character. Oh, okay, I got it now. I think that it is just saying that I need to replace this with another character, right? So if there is suppose ABC and there is ABD, then I need to replace this D with, I need to replace D with C, right? Or suppose if it was ADB, then okay, AB is here, AB is here, then I need to replace C. So the answer would be 1. In this case, BAB and BAA. In this case I just need to replace, because there are 2b and 1a, and here it is 1a and 1b and 2a, so I need to make 2b, so I just need to replace one character only. And here, so here we can see that L, there are 2L and there are L is 1 and E 2 times, T 1 time, C 1 time, O 1 time, D 1 time, E 1 time, right? And here here P is coming up 1 time and R is coming up 1 time, A is coming up 1 time, C is coming up 2 times, T1, I1 and E1. So we can see here L, so there is no any L here. So yeah, so it means that I need one L here, because there is no any L here. So I need one L, right? So I can see that there is no any L here, but which character to replace with? That is a question. So since there is no any L here, so it is for sure that I need to replace one character, right? What I'm trying to figure out here is I now know, I know how many count of the characters are here, but what I'm trying to figure out is suppose if a character is present in S and not in T, then what should I do? So if a character is present in S and not in T, then how to replace character in T? So basically we only want to know which character, I mean how many, what the steps, right? The steps of the minimum number of steps only. We do not want to know which character we are replacing it with. So since L is 1 and then there is no any L here, so it is for sure that we need to replace one character. One character needs to be replaced. This is for sure. Replace for L. And another thing is E. How many E is there? 1. And there is 2 E. So another character replaced for E, because there are 2 E's. And for T, there are 1 T and 1 T. 1 T is fine. So C is 1 and there are 2 C's. So since there is 1 C and there are 2 C's, so since there is 1 C and there are 2 C's here, so what should I do here? There is 1 C and 2 C's here, so it means that there is 1 extra. Above, right? And so what I'm also thinking at the same time is, do I just need to know which character to add? I don't know. Let's find out. So we will find out this one as well. So 1 C and O. O is 1. So O is also missing. Because there is 1 O and there is no anywhere D. D is also missing, right? Because there is no D here. And E is 1. Okay, that's fine. So it means that L, 1 L, 1 E, 1 O and 1 D. Just this much only. 1 L, 1 E, 1 O and 1 D. So it means that there are 4 characters that are missing here. I guess so, right? If I only know how many characters are in S are missing in T. So it means that oh my god, I think that I'm overcomplicating this question. I'm just trying to like strategize my approach here, because I'm forming a question and then answering it, kind of thing. So okay, wait a minute and just simplify this, okay? Because it should not be this complex. So what I'm thinking is, okay, I know that these are the letters that are not present in T. So I need to replace, obviously, because the length is same, right? Because the length is same. Suppose in S there is ABC, and there is in T there is ABCDEF. Then since ABC is not here, so I need to replace those characters, right? I need to add all those characters. So number of, it just shows the number of replacement required each equal to how many characters in T that are missing. This is equal to 4 plus this is only not, I think that only this is not sufficient, because suppose if there is ABC and then DEF, right? And then I know that, okay, so since length is same, so okay, I replace this. But what if this is C and so there is AB, and since there is AB new characters, there are two new letters here in S. So I need to replace A and B because A and B are not here. What else? Because the length is same, do I need to do plus? Is this only the formula? Do I only need to know how many characters in S are missing in T? So what if it is ABC, if S is ABC and then this one is ABP, then since C is not here, so I'll just have to replace this one. Replace PRAIC from T with proper characters to make T anagram of S. So L 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 6 7 8, and the length is also same. So here we can see that if it is S and C, okay, then since it is L, so I can just replace L with any other character, right? Because there is L, I can replace L with P maybe, and I can replace E with this maybe, and I can replace O with this maybe, and I can replace D with this maybe. What am I saying? L E E T C O D. Oh, there are 3 E's. What the? 2 characters need to be replaced. Okay. I guess this is the answer, isn't it? Number of replacement required. I just need to find out this, right? How many characters in S are missing in T? If I just find that out, then that is the answer, I guess. Because I just want to make it a anagram, and whichever characters are missing in T, yeah, I just want to make S and T anagram, right? And I need to edit T. So I just want to know which characters are not at T. So whichever character is not at T, I'll just replace and the same length, because it is same length, so it makes it easier even. Anagram and this one, they are already anagrams, okay? I don't know. So let number of steps. let anagram difference is equal to 0 and count character in S is equal to, and do I even need two S maps? If I just build S map for S and then C, I don't know. I mean, I might not need actually, but I'll just make it anyway. For lit, for simplicity. If it is already present, then it should be plus plus, otherwise I need to start it from 1, right? If it is not present, if that character A, suppose if it is A, then if it is not present, then it will be 1. Yeah, class return count map, and after this I'll just need to find the difference. How many characters are not there? So for count character in S, for key, for character and count, right? So this will give me array of arrays. So for character and count, if so once I know this I'll see if it exists here or not. I guess it will just be anagram difference is equal to plus is equal to T character. So this will give me count character. Yeah, this will give me count of character in character, right? So T will be undefined. So it will be like minus count minus count character, right? So 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 3 minus 1 will be 2, like that. I think if it is undefined, then it will be 0. And at last return anagram difference, I guess. Number count character, or I can say character count difference. Okay, so in the beginning this will be if I'm just going through this one, then it will be in the beginning it will be 1. So 1 is not here, so 1 minus 0 will be 1. Okay, this will be 1, and then it will be 2. Similarly it will go on and on and on. Oh, wrong answer. Output is 0, expected is 1. BAB and ABA. Okay, so BAB and ABA. So it should be like B's count will be 2 and A's count will be 1, and here A's count will be 2 and B's count will be 1, right? And then S. So this one will give me count minus B is 2 and B is 1. It will give me 1 in the beginning. Oh yeah, I did not actually think about this, because sometimes it will be 1 minus, yeah, I did not think about that. Sorry about that. Only if count is greater than because if you look at here, then suppose if C, so it will be 1 minus 2, you know. I don't know if I should laugh or cry. Count is greater than count character T character, right? So this would be greater. I'm thinking. One is greater. What will it return? 1 is greater than undefined. It will return false, right? Because it will treat like, oh, 1 minus undefined is, it will return an. I thought that it will return. This is fine. Oh, 1 is greater than undefined. It was returning false, right? 1 is greater than 0. It should return true. It should not return false. Okay, great. So that was a problem. I was thinking that yeah, I was thinking that this one greater than undefined. I mean, I was thinking that it will automatically treat undefined as a number if I'm subtracting it or if I'm comparing it in JavaScript. But I was wrong. Undefined, even if I'm subtracting or. Mm, because what happens is I was confused about this because in JavaScript, if I if I do this, if I do a string, then it will treat, it will change string in, it will change string to a number if I am doing such comparisons, but it is not the same for defined, undefined. Mm. Only for strings, but not for undefined. Got it. As map. LeetCode intern is back at work. To code from viewing, easy or medium problem questions. This one was easy. Yes, this one was easy actually. But this one was easy, but I don't know why I thought too much here. Because I thought that actually, I thought that there was more depth to this problem, so I was trying to understand the problem more. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Space complexity of 1, time complexity is of n. I used, actually the space complexity is still O of 1 because there are only 26 characters. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, it's just like 2 hours, 1.5 hours left for another good question to come out. I was pretty late for this question. I was late because today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, and also these days I'm not feeling uh, great in terms of energy. I think it's also because I just came back from vacation, and then after that I got common cold and fever and all of those things, so I was just struggling. I hope that I will continue doing lit good questions every day. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. This is so funny the way I said. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.